I have a nephew who just turned 4 years old, just turned 4. I really want to be supportive for his birthday. And his dream is that he wants to be a cop when he grows up. So he already has like the fake hat, the fake badge, things like that. So on the way to the birthday party, I want to get him a gift. And I stopped at a store. And in a rush, I asked for child-sized handcuffs. Fun fact about that. So if you go into a store and you ask for child-sized handcuffs, they'll put you in adult-sized handcuffs. So